You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
A special day it is because today we are going to make chicken
and waffles. We are so excited to be back on the channel, so get ready for new videos.
And if you can, it would really help us to like, share, subscribe, and watch these videos over and over. Is that enough overs?
And over
again.
So we are going to start with the chicken. Alright, I'm going to start by pouring my milk into the first bowl. And to add a little flavor and spice, I'm gonna add some Tabasco. Not too much because I'm not a huge fan of spicy things. And then I will season my flour with some pepper and a little salt. Okay, let's bread the chicken. Time to fry the chicken. The chicken is warming in the oven, so I'm gonna start the waffles. An egg, and I will beat the egg first.
Now, for everybody that's out there wondering, can they duplicate this recipe? Yes, you can. We put all the measurements and the ingredients in the description, so you can go in there and do the exact same thing we are doing.
Okay, now I'm gonna add milk. And vegetable oil.
So basically all your wet ingredients, you're gonna mix those up and then put in your dries, huh?
Start small. This is baking powder. Sugar. And now for the flour. I think I'm going to add a little at a time to make it easier to mix.
Now, about a month or two ago, Audrey, we were asked to be part of one of those documentary videos for mini food channels. Remember that?
Yes.
We could not get in on time, but that gave us a chance to look at a lot of the other mini food channels. And I have to say, we are probably completely different than all the other channels that are trying to do mini food, because ours is really, for one, it's edible.
Yes.
And you can duplicate the recipes yourself.
And they're very tasty.
And they're tasty, yeah. And we're cooking on real equipment as opposed to the little sterno fires.
Alright, we're gonna start making waffles.
I remember when I was talking about the sternos and all that. This is a real kid's miniature waffle maker.
Alright, we made it to the end of this video.
You know, after all that work, this was what I was most looking forward to.
Yep, the eating, best part, gotta say.
Besides spending time with you and working in the kitchen. Alright, so here is for our guest.
Which is you.
I'm the guest?
No, everyone watching.
Okay. Ooh, look at that one. That's the best one. You get the best one.
Oh, thank you.
So that was our first test of that waffle iron. I have to say,
it was a little tricky.
it's a challenge to get the right heat on that and to get it to, chicken. All right, this came out great. I like the way you made the chicken.
Thank you.
All right, so our guests get a nice piece.
Looks good.
Come on there. No, I got it. This was actually, I think this was the first piece that came out.
Thank you.
And then I will get the biggest piece, of course.
And some syrup. Let's put this to the middle. Okay.
Yes, I like a lot of syrup, but you know, I won't need too much right now just so I can give it a taste. Ooh, look at that.
This looks pretty good. Let's see. We can get some with the chicken and the waffle.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Chicken came out nice. All right. That's good. That's good. Tasty, huh? All right, so overall, our first recipe back was rather challenging with all the frying.
Yep, it was a little difficult, but I thought it was really fun. This is really delicious.
It is. So again, if you can help us out tremendously as we try to re-kick this off, give the video a thumbs up, share it on social media, really help. And I was just trying to say earlier how unique, first off, probably the only father-daughter cooking team.
Yep.
Second, everything we're using are real kids' toys that they, going back to the 1940s.
Yeah.
This is actually perfect for American Girl doll scale.
I did take some out of my collection of
Yeah.
American Girl.
I'm still eating. Anytime you want to end, go ahead. I'm not going to stop.
Alright. Well, it looks like you're enjoying it there. And until we see you next time,
Happy eating! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.